Is the Gadget Discovery Club really worth it? Well, let's find out. Alright, so, as some of you may know, the Gadget Discovery Club service is a service subscription box. So basically you get a new tech or gadget each month or each quarter. I was subscribed to it thanks to my sister, and she bought it via Groupon. It was a deal on Groupon where you could get 3 months for a certain price, and they would send you a product for 3 months. So month 1, 2, and 3 you get a product. And then after that I had to start paying if I wanted to continue it, and I just canceled it before that. But it was a cool gift and a cool experience. So of course price is a big factor when you're going to purchase things or consider subscribing to things, etc. Well, this is a kind of a priced service, as some of you may have guessed. It depends on the plan or the deal where you can get it, but if you go to their website you pay between $90 and $120 a month per box. That's quite a bit in my opinion, as we'll see. But you can get it for cheaper deals elsewhere, like on Groupon, like my sister did, which is really cool. And even that is still a little pricey, but it's a great gift. So anyway, that is the price. You can either pay annually or upfront. There's not a monthly thing. The service automatically renews, I think, if you don't cancel the plan. So it's like a magazine or like an app subscription, music streaming, etc. So don't forget to unsubscribe if you're planning on doing that or something, because that could get expensive. But anyway, like I said, they send you a gadget or tech item for the price of $90 to $120 a month. That's what it comes out to per box. When you sign up, it'll ask you, is this for yourself or is this for a friend? And you pick, and then ask you if you're tech savvy, a little tech savvy, and not tech savvy, basically. And so it gives them an idea of what to give you, I guess. You also pick what country you're from: US, UK, Canada. I don't know why it's not available to other countries yet, but it isn't. And then of course, like I said, it talks about the pricing and you pick about that. Well, anyway, the sign-up process is pretty simple. You just put in payment information, those first few questions, contact information, address, things like that. Things standard with setting up an account or subscription. Well, anyway, all you do after that is wait. Either it's given to you quarterly, like every 4 months, or it's given to you monthly, depending on the plan. Mine was monthly. Well, anyway, what you'll get in the mail is a box something like this. It will come in plastic packaging or an envelope, so you won't actually see this box. It's just a plastic thing you open, like an envelope, really loose, kind of like a bag almost. It has a flap that's stuck adhesively that you pull off. Anyway, pretty simple, but anyway, this is what you'll get after that. Now, this looks pretty good. Nice design, nice opening lid. However, it may be partly because of the mail service, but nonetheless, look at these boxes. These were my other boxes I received. This one's pretty beat up. It may be thanks to the USPS, but it shows these boxes are easily damaged, so it kind of hurts the effect of getting a present each month from someone you love and it's kind of beat up. That's disappointing a little bit. Obviously, it's not likely to hurt the thing inside necessarily. I think they should come in an outer box, like a box, and then this box inside of it, like many things on Amazon do, Target, whatever, all the major platforms. I know it must be cheaper to ship it in a bag, but it doesn't work out so good. As you can see, damaged boxes, and some of the gadgets may get damaged. You never know. That is disappointing. It looks like you guys should have an outer box around it and some packaging, because they do get beat up. But anyway, after that, after you get the plastic wrapping off, you get this box and you get a nice reveal. It's a pull-up lid, and there's just a box inside of another box. It's a little anticlimactic. It's still a cool experience. You have a surprise, you don't know what you're going to get, but like I said, it's a little anticlimactic. There's just a random box situated around in there, no packaging, and it just says experience a level, and it has some of their social media stuff. But it's a little anticlimactic. I think they could take some lessons from Apple and to get the true unboxing experience, since this is a subscription service and it's a mystery box. So that would be nice. Work on the packaging of shipping it, and work on the packaging for opening it. That would be my advice to you guys at Gadget Discovery Club. But anyway, you're wondering, what did I actually get? Well, the first month I got this speaker, and it's a small little speaker. Obviously, there's a lot of those out on the market. Now, obviously, the quality of the product is the most important thing because there are a lot of small speakers out there, so that doesn't really say much. But it looks cool. The packaging is fairly nice. It has a suction lid like Apple stuff, so that's pretty cool. So overall, the packaging is pretty good. They have details on the back side. On the front, doesn't really tell you much except that it's a small speaker. And I'll show you in a second what the actual speaker looks like. But you get a cord here, the speaker's there. You get a lanyard, and there's the actual instruction label. Like I said, obviously the products will vary on the person and subscription, but these are what I got and what you may get. This is the speaker right here. It's really grown on me quite a bit. It's really high quality, the metal, and it doesn't just feel super light and cheap. It's high quality feeling metal, the rubber base or plastic base, and this nice quality lanyard, and I've liked this. The sound quality isn't bad too. However, I had a little trouble with using the speaker. Like, it worked fine, but then just recently I was trying to turn it off and it got stuck in some mode or something. Maybe if I look at instructions that will help. Maybe the reason why I got stuck in that mode is because there's only one button for simplicity, and that button turns it off and on, and it's also, you can answer phone calls and stuff. So I might have put it in a different mode or something, but I wasn't able to turn it off, so that's kind of worrisome, and I don't know what was happening. I don't think that should happen, but a quick look at the manual may solve some problems. But overall, pretty good sound quality. If you want to see the product review of this, you can check out the video. I'll put a link in the description. And for another mystery box, I got a wireless charger. And once again, packaging is pretty nice. It has a suction lid. It has details on the back of the box. That's what it looks like on the inside. I'll show you the wireless charger now. And once again, this is another high quality feeling device. Very high quality metal. It has like a fake fabric front or top. Rubber feet like you see on a computer laptop. And on the front there's a light to show it's charging, and it's USB-C. So overall, really high quality product, and so that's pretty cool. And last of all, I got a wallet. This is a metal clip wallet, like those very thin wallets that clip onto your pocket or your jeans or whatever. But anyway, it has a clip. You can put your money in there and then put your cards inside. It's a very compact wallet, and I like it. I've used mine quite a bit already. It definitely takes up a lot less space than would a normal wallet. Obviously, it's something to get used to, and it has its own unique design and whatever, but very high quality wallet. Carbon fiber, metal, and fabric. It opens up like this. You put your cards in, and it has RFID, I think, blocking technology. It has this right here where you can push your thumb against so you can grab the cards out easier. So that was the products. Overall, pretty high quality and satisfying. Like I said, I'm having a little trouble with this lately, but I'll have to look at the manual such to get a better perception on that. But if you want to see a product review on that, like I said, link in the description. But overall, the build quality of these products are great. And function quality, great. Until this little issue with the speaker, but I'll have to check up on that. But these products aren't very expensive. They're great quality, yes, but they're brands that I've never heard of before this. And they're products that wouldn't necessarily cost a whole lot, maybe $50 or less. Wireless chargers are way under that. Obviously this is a great quality one, but it would still be under that, I'm sure. The speaker, it might be a little closer to that end. And this, I'm not exactly sure on all wallet prices, but under 50 I think for sure for this. So under 50 or around 50 for sure. They're getting quite a bit of profit. Obviously the plans vary and such, so the products may vary, because there are some plans it says you get a $300 plus product guaranteed. The others just say $150 plus product. Not sure if that means every month or just one. But anyway, from what I got, these will be kind of cheap to get in a normal plan. Say a $90 box to a $120 box. Obviously, my sister got the better deal for these, so they didn't end up being $90 a box, but if you didn't have a deal like that, then I think you'd be a little disappointed. Not by the product quality, but by the product selection. that you are given based on the value. So to wrap up the Gadget Discovery Club, it was really fun to have, it was really fun to experience, and I'm really glad I got this. I'm thankful for it, thanks to my sister, but I'm glad she got a better deal than what was on their website. Like I was saying, the product selection and the value are debatable for the money, but the products themselves are great quality and great functionality. Now, the biggest question is price. Like I said, it depends on the plan, the product value to the value of the box. Remember that you do get free shipping. Remember, it's part of the experience. So there's multiple factors that play into this. It's not just the value of this. It's the value of the experience and the mystery, etc. And lastly, I think you guys need to improve your unboxing experience. Put these boxes into a bigger box so that they're protected, and then protect these boxes inside of these boxes and put an unboxing and unpackaging experience, kind of like Apple. Make it more personal. This is a subscription service meant for you to unbox things, not just, oh, we got some products from Amazon, yay. Anyway guys, I hope you liked this video. I hope you found it helpful. If you like this shirt, Jesus Loves You. It's by the Jesus Loves You company, JesusLovesYou.company. Use code Tornado7 for a 15% discount. But anyway, it's linked in the description. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. Please leave a like, comment, questions, and subscribe. It would mean a lot because only 0.5% of you guys that watch my videos actually subscribe. Anyway guys, thanks for watching. Goodbye.